Hi. Hi.
See you later.
Little butterless nose.
Tonight, this has been way too exciting. Becky, Junior, you're awake. Good morning, sleepyhead. It's about time you woke up. You were asleep, both of you. Well, and then we woke up. That's how it works. But don't you guys remember what happened last night with the spooky alien dude? Yeah. They sure were. That's the last time I mixed scary movies with people before then. I had bad dreams all night. Me too. How about you, Sarah? Don't talk about scared. You know me. You had nightmares too, huh?